Are you going to show Mia how to put those in there? Are you going to take them out? Hey, Mia. Mia.
Cheese.
Cheese. Mia.
Papa. Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
Yeah, that looks good. See? Nice socks.
Because I'm gonna wear something else.
Oh, okay. Are
Oh,
you
look at Mia.
putting those in for Mia? You showing her how to do it? Oh, here, let's help Mia sit up. There we go. Mm-hmm. Whoops. Uh-oh, we gotta help Mia sit up.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.